This question is asked by George Perdikis from Greece. This question appears in the examination of Greek University. It is of beta gamma function. Those who would like to learn beta gamma function, for them this video lecture will be very helpful. The question is, the equation
according to George's message, he has found out the left hand side of the equation and he found this as pi by 2, and the right hand side he found as half of beta half comma 1 by n. His question is that how to find the right hand side as pi by 2.
The question is this equation, integration 0 to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx equals to 1 by n gamma half gamma 1 by n divided by gamma n plus 1 by 2n. Left hand side can be found out very easily. Say x equals to cos theta dx equals to minus sin theta d theta. When x equals to 0, theta is pi by 2. When x equals to 1, theta is 0. So the integration becomes pi by 2 to 0 minus sin theta d theta by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So it is for this minus, this will be 0 to pi by 2. Square root of 1 minus cos square theta is sin theta, that sin theta and this sin theta will be cancelled, so it will be d theta. Integration of d theta is theta, limits are 0 to pi by 2. So the left hand side is pi by 2. Now, the right hand side can be written as 1 by n beta half comma 1 by n. How it is? You see that we know beta, alpha beta is gamma alpha, gamma beta by gamma alpha plus beta. So if we apply that, then we will have 1 by n gamma half gamma 1 by n divided by gamma half plus 1 by n. So you look here, gamma half gamma 1 by n, and this much will be n plus 2 by twice n. The right hand side is 1 by n beta half comma 1 by n. Now this equation will be true when the value of n is 2 only. For n equals to 2, this right hand side becomes 1 by 2 beta half half. Now if we apply this formula, then we will have gamma half by gamma 1. So gamma half we know root pi is pi by 2, gamma 1 is 1. So hope all of you have understood. George, if you are watching this video lecture, then you look that you do not have to go for this expression. You just put n equals to 2 in this expression, then you will have directly 1 by 2, then gamma half, gamma 1. Directly you are getting pi by 2.